Hello guys, my name is Kenneth. I'm a nurse and a vlogger in London, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a very exciting, very historical thing on my channel because we're gonna be unboxing my British passport that arrived just today. For those of you who have not known me yet, my name is Kenneth. I'm 32 years old. I'm a nurse here in London for the last 6 years and also an immigrant originally from the Philippines and now a British citizen. Because we've already been talking about British citizenship, this time we're gonna be doing an unboxing of my British passport that I received just today. So the date today is July 20, 2021. So finally, my hard-earned efforts to becoming a British citizen has finally come to a close because I'm finally holding now my British passport. So if you find this vlog very interesting, before you continue clicking the play button, don't forget to click the subscribe button on my channel, Itkenbeyouradventures, to get hold of my life here in London and anywhere else in the world. And also, don't forget to click the bell button to receive further notifications with all the vlogs that I'm gonna produce on my channel. And I'm also gonna take this opportunity to thank you guys. For those of you who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for being with me, for supporting me in all the things that I've been doing in my channel. Thank you so much because we've been growing already and we hope that we're gonna reach 100,000 subscribers in due time. And rest assured guys that I'm gonna continue producing inspiring, informative, and exciting vlogs on my channel. You guys rock! So before we're gonna start formally with actually opening this envelope that contains my British passport, I've been actually researching on YouTube if there is someone who did an unboxing of their British passport, and surprisingly there's none because they've all been talking about how they procured their British passport, how they've become a British citizen, but none that features unboxing their British passport. And so I'm gonna do one for you guys. So this is really epic and I'm so excited and I can't wait to open this envelope that contains my British passport. While we do the unboxing for my British passport, I'm also gonna tell you how my experience was on becoming a British citizen. How long did it take me to just receive my passport? To tell you guys, from the time that I did my processing for my passport, it took me only 2 weeks to receive my British passport, which is later today. So it's actually here. So are you ready guys? I'm actually ready to open this. So let's open this together. Alright. Kayang laman. Getting excited. So excited. It's not even really good to open like this. Let me see. Oh my god. Woo! First glimpse. Yay! There you go. Oh my god. Finally. I don't know what's the color, really. I think it's dark blue. I think it's a blue passport now. We're back now to the blue passport. So finally, I've got my British passport. Imagine. British passport, United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. So guys, it actually took me 6 years to get my British passport. So actually, I arrived here in the United Kingdom year 2015, February. Very cold winter time, and I always remember those times when I arrived here to an unknown territory for me, 360 degrees different from the culture that I've used to grow up with. I came from the Philippines, and you know it's different in the Philippines, and when you're traveling here in the United Kingdom, it's a totally different experience. Just like those immigrants who actually wanted to search for greener pastures and to improve their lives, that's why they went abroad. It's also like the same for me. The saga of an immigrant actually is not very easy. It's actually very challenging, but it's all worth it when you've actually received your citizenship status. So for those of you guys who are on their way to becoming a permanent resident, or those who are currently on their working permit here in the United Kingdom, or British citizen, or on their way or waiting for their British citizenship approval, this vlog is for you, and hope that this serves as an inspiration for you guys that you should not really give up on your dreams. For those of you who have actually lost hope, and for those of you who have keep on trying, very frustrated that they failed an exam, one exam after the other, they failed, experience a lot of failures in order for them to come here in the United Kingdom, don't worry. You always have to continue believing that this opportunity is for you. Just like what I did. Because the road for me is never easy, because I came from the Philippines, went to Australia, failed a couple of times in Australia to secure a job, and then someone offered me an opportunity. Why not try United Kingdom? And so I did try, with second thoughts of actually going here in the United Kingdom, because I don't know no one here in the United Kingdom when I started. And also, I can still remember during the time when I arrived here in the United Kingdom, oh my god, it's raining, it's almost raining probably, but I can still remember the time that I arrived here in United Kingdom. That was February 6, 2015. It was actually very memorable to me, because I still remember the time when my father sent me to the airport on that day when I flew from the Philippines going to United Kingdom. So, ang baon ko lang actually is only 50 pounds when I arrived here in United Kingdom. So, that 50 pounds, I kept it to myself. Yun lang talaga yung dala-dala ko. At saka baon-baon ko lang yung mga pangarap ko when I arrived here in the United Kingdom. I don't know anyone. It was totally a whole new level of experience for me. I have so much hesitations. Marami akong mga apprehensions. Marami din akong mga fears. Fears of the unknown, because this is a new place. You are far from your comfort zone. But then again, those challenges have actually shaped me to the person that I am today. And I'm really thankful for those times na nahirapan ako, na-challenge ako. Lahat-lahat yun fueled me to really pursue the dreams that I really wanted to happen here in the United Kingdom. And, you know, it made me so emotional during the time na na-receive ko yung British citizenship application ko, na na-approve siya. And then, I had my citizenship ceremony on June 28, 2021. So during the time, masyadong emotional. I can't just express my feelings of mixed emotions, actually, of like receiving my British citizenship during that time, because I remembered all the hardships, all the challenges that I have to surpass in order for me to reach this point. And this is actually a product of hardship, a product of perseverance, a product of faith, a product of every single dream that you really wanted to happen. And this is just the result. Oh my god. It feels surreal to just be holding this at this time, to be honest with you guys. So let's just open, because this is very historical for me. Sabay-sabay na siya i-open. Oh my god. So, pakita ko na lang how it looked like. Oh my god. Can't believe. Looks so legit, actually. So here in the official passport of Great Britain, you can actually like see here the pages. Pakita ko na yung sample na page. There you go. And also the front, of course. Napaka-legit. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm holding now my British passport, to be honest with you guys. Parang sinahaba-haba ng paghihintay. I actually came to a close now for all of those struggles that I have to face as an immigrant here in the United Kingdom. To be recognized as a British citizen coming from another country is something really worth it. It's something to be proud of. For those of you guys na on their way na to becoming a British citizen, don't worry, you will actually reach there. And it's just a matter of time for you guys, and you will experience the same way I do to receive this blue passport. This passport is actually an answer to a lot of dreams that I have kept for myself. Na maraming magsasabi na iba na parang napaka-OA naman ito, because you've already just received your British passport and you reacted this much. But for me, this is a personal journey actually for me, because coming from the Philippines, we're not so well off as well. And for an ordinary person, for an ordinary guy na maraming pangarap at nabuo lahat ito when I arrived here in London, in United Kingdom, parang it's a big thing for me. And this is actually a true testament that when you dream and you work hard for your dream, you definitely will achieve it. It was a blessing in disguise, because they said that it will take you like 6 months to wait for your British citizenship approval. But for me, it only took almost 3 months just for me to get my British citizenship. I'm really happy and inspired to share my success to you guys, because my success as a British citizen is also your success, because you fueled me to continue inspiring others through my life, through the things that I do here in United Kingdom. And I hope I did great in impacting your lives the same way you do with all your positive comments in my videos. To be honest guys, I'm really happy. I'm so happy that I finally get hold of my British passport, and now finally I can travel the world. And so ma, if you are listening to this vlog, this is for you. This is dedicated for you. And to my late father, na hindi niya na naabutan yung pagiging British ko, pa, this is for you. Because ikaw yung unang naniwala sa mga pangarap ko with all my dreams. Thank you so much wherever you are. This is for you, pa. This is for you. Eh, ang daming drama. But anyway, I'm really happy that I finally received my British passport, guys. It's already raining. We're gonna finish this vlog this time. And if I made this unboxing fun and exciting, it can be your adventure. So see you on my next vlogs. Bye!